Blade. Middle is my leg. Oh my god, Jesus fucking Lord. Yeah, I guess he lives because strong plays. Just take a tower.
Try.
Probably
winning.
Weaver is now. Oh, rip, my dad.
Rick actually slaps the Orisa around with his dick.
When Roadhog hooks the fucking Junkrat
Hey Rick,
tag.
is that a new fucking new clip?
That's the point.
No, because all you can hear in it is